Today we are bringing you the 12 workouts of Christmas and we are going to make you feel amazing. No more are we going to be eating the sweets, eating the chocolate. It's all going. From today, me and you, trainers on, in the living room, we're going to do 16 minutes and we are going to push like we've never pushed before. So by the time that Christmas party comes, by the time New Year comes, by the time the bell rings, you're going to feel amazing. You're going to feel leaner, you're going to feel stronger. You're not going to be preparing yourself for the diet of the new year. We're already going to be through that section. We're already going to be feeling strong. We're already going to be leaner. Our jeans are going to fit us better. Our shorts are going to look amazing. And by the time your summer holiday comes next year, we are going to look amazing. The best shape you've ever been in. All I need you to do is give me 110%. I promise you every day I'm going to come here and I'm going to give you the best workouts. I'm going to bring you inspirational workouts that are going to make you want to log on, that are going to make you want to get onto the website, going to push you as hard as possible. And when you get up and feel that aching, that you've worked really hard, you'll know that by the new year you will be feeling absolutely amazing. So if you give me 110%, I'll give you 110%. So please, come and work out with me, log on, and let's see if we can make a change, because small changes make massive differences. I'm just going to do it and just hope it looks okay. Ready?
Callie.
Oh dear. I don't want to hit it with my right hand. What do you want to do with it? Start again. Sweating.
Nice. How was that?
Yeah, it's good. I hope you tune in tomorrow for the next one. This is how we did this today. So first of all, we did a frog jump with 2 press-ups. And then back into another frog jump. If you find that too difficult, you can always just do a burpee with a jump. If that's still too difficult, squat jumps. Okay, that's that one. Next one we did was clean and press with a squat and press. Obviously the lighter your bag, the easier it is. If you don't want a bag and you're just starting out, remember, doing something is better than doing nothing. So you can do squat jumps for your clean and press. You can just do a straight squat, lighten your bag to make it easier. Obviously the heavier the bag, the harder it is. Clean, press it, stop at your shoulders, squat down, make sure that your knees aren't over your toes, squat and press. Clean and press, squat and press. Number 2. Third one, around the world. Nice light, you can either use your ball or your bag, whichever one you feel comfortable with, or fill a bottle with water, whatever you want. So, starting here, starting position, knees nice and soft. Go round, making sure your elbows are soft. Squat down, come back the way you just went, and then reverse it to go around the opposite way. Okay? By all means, just do a straight squat if that's easier for you. Switch lunge with a twist. We used our Oogie ball today. I'm using the 12-pound Oogie ball. Harder is obviously get yourself a medicine ball, get yourself something a bit heavier. Do a lunge. Try not to wobble, and then go down, back up, and then lunge again. This is too hard for you. By all means, hold the ball here and do a switch lunge. It's essentially leg work, that's what we're looking for. Take away the ball completely if that's too hard. You can always do switch lunge with a twist. Okay? Third one we did elevator push-ups. We used the trunk. You can use a chair on your staircase. If you find elevating your legs too hard for you, do straight on the floor. Obviously harder, lift your leg, harder still. Elevate, harder still. Get them one legs in the air, push yourself. If you're still trying to do a push-up, it's the hardest thing. Press up, it's the hardest thing that you have to learn how to do. So start on your knees, all the way down, all the way up. Let's just get the movement right first. Get the form right. We can work on elevating, we can work on lifting your legs later. Let's just start today and get some kind of form, and then we'll push from there. Okay? Brilliant. Last one. I use the dip station. If you don't have a dip station, I'm going to show you an alternative. Don't worry, you don't need to buy the equipment. That's not what we're about. So, lift up, legs straight, easier version, bend your legs. And then what we did is we did a oblique tilt to the side, each side. So, center, side, center, side. For those of you that haven't got a dip station, get yourself on the floor, get some tuck abs going, so up, all the way down, and then you can either tilt to the side if you wish, hands on your head to make it harder, or straight up, straight down, or if it's still too hard for you, just straight abs, all the way up, all the way down. As long as you're essentially working out, giving it a go, just do whatever variation you need to do. Okay? Cool. Okay, between each section, I was using the skipping rope. So, I was doing high knees, nice and tall. Make sure your shoulders are back. Breathe. This is too hard for you. Take it down. You can switch it up. You can do some cross keys if you wish. However you wish. If you don't have a rope, oh, my lace is undone.
Bad form.
If you don't have a rope, still not an excuse. Want some high knees going? Nice high knees. You can do some jacks. The essential part of that 30 seconds, the in-between 30 seconds, is the cardio. That's where you're going to push for your cardio, get your heart rate nice and high, keep your body burning. We're going to push on that section. So when you've got your rope, try to get your knees up. If not, let's get some high knees going or some jacks. Okay? Brilliant. That's it.
Good.
You enjoyed it?
How was that for you?
Yeah, brilliant. Can't wait until tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll bring you something even more funky.
Do some dancing.
That I'm sweating because I've worked hard. I've worked really hard and I hope you have as well. I'm sweating, so you should be sweating. And if you're not, you need to push yourself harder and come and see me in the living room tomorrow.